A TikTok friend knew the song, and it's Ronnie Millsap, Smoky Mountain Rain, and this reminds me of San Diego. 1985, we could listen to the radio for like 3 hours on Sunday. The song was popular back then.
I found my way from Ellen back to Knoxville. I found out those bright lights ain't where I belong. From a phone booth in the rain, I called to her. I've had a change of dreams, I'm coming home. But tears filled my eyes when I found out she was gone. Smoky Mountain Rain just keeps on calling. I keep on calling her name. Smoky Mountain Rain, I'll keep on searching. I can't go on hurting this way. She's somewhere in this Smoky Mountain Rain. Waved diesel down outside a cafe. He said that he was gone as far as Gatlinburg. I climbed up in the cab all wet and cold and lonely. I wiped my eyes and I told him about her. I've gotta find her. Can you make those big wheels burn? Smoky Mountain Rain just keeps on calling. I'll keep on calling her name. Smoky Mountain Rain, I'll keep on searching. Can't go on hurting this way. She's somewhere in this Smoky Mountain Rain. I can't blame her for letting go. A woman needs someone warm to hold. I feel the rain running down my face. I'll find her no matter what it takes. Smoky Mountain Rain just keeps on calling. I'll keep on calling her name. Smoky Mountain Rain, I'll keep on searching. Can't go on hurting this way. Smoky Mountain Rain just keeps on calling. I'll keep on calling her name. Smoky Mountain Rain, I'll keep on searching. I can't go on hurting this way.
Wow, Ronnie Millsap. Thanks, Camson.